Welcome, and let's take a look at how the weather is shaping up across South Africa for the rest of your weekend. Stormy weather is forecast this Saturday across the central and eastern parts of the country. It's going to be pretty wet as well along the south and the east coast. And on Sunday, we are going to see hot afternoon temperatures over parts of the west coast. On the latest satellite picture, we still have just a bit of cloud across much of the interior, but thunderstorms are going to pop up this afternoon over the central and eastern areas. We also have a lot of cloud giving us light rain over the southern parts of the country thanks to this cold front passing through our shores. So the rest of Saturday is going to look like this. It's going to stay cloudy and wet along the south coast, much of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Thunderstorms are forecast for the central and eastern areas. It's going to be dry over western South Africa. On Sunday, stormy weather is forecast in these areas highlighted here. Cloudy and rainy weather continues across KZN, extending into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Dry across southwestern South Africa with hot temperatures along parts of the west coast. Up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms is forecast where you see this dark shade of blue across central and eastern South Africa. A 60% chance of rain along the east coast and part of the south coast. The chance of rain decreases as we go further west along the south coast. Johannesburg is going to become partly cloudy to cloudy this afternoon with thunderstorms, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture. Temperatures will make it to a warm 28 degrees. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for severe thunderstorms and localized flooding wherever you see that shade of amber, including much of Gauteng, parts of Limpopo, Mpumalanga, the Free State, as well as the Northwest. We also have a watch in place for high fire danger across the northern parts of the Northern Cape. Moderate winds are forecast this afternoon across much of the country, but look out for strong southwesterlies from Port Elizabeth into the Durban area. Strong southeasterlies are forecast for the Cape Peninsula. Rather cool temperatures are expected over the southern parts of the country. Temperatures in the lower 20s for East London, Bishop, Port Elizabeth, as well as the mother city. Just 19 for the high in George. Sizzling temperatures are forecast, however, as we go towards Uppington and Kimberley. A high of 36 for Mahikeng. Pretoria 31, the same for Mbombela, and a warm 26 is forecast in Durban. On Sunday morning, we start off the day with temperatures around the 16-degree mark for the mother city, 14 for Port Elizabeth, just 12 for Bishop, a minimum of 18 for Durban and Richards Bay, 17 for Pretoria and Mbombela. Joburg drops to 15, the same for Kimberley. A warm 19 is forecast for Uppington. Thunderstorms are forecast on Sunday across the central and northern parts of the country. Rain continues along the east coast, extending into Mbombela. And on Monday, we are going to see unsettled weather across much of the country with warmer temperatures for Cape Town.
Know more. eNCA.com